So I'm here with Virginia Brown, and we're having a brief conversation. Virginia, can you give us, in your perspective, some homeowners are thinking, I need a local roofer. What has been your experience with Callaway and what you understand about local roofer versus line items?
Well, I like the professionalism of them doing a very detailed inspection and taking a multitude of photos and showing me the difference between what some companies use and then what the housing code requires. I like that.
How many line items were on your original sheet?
From the insurance company?
Yeah.
12 for the roof.
Okay. And how many were they after we went ahead and line itemed everything properly?
Must be about 22.
Okay. So, in your opinion, would a local roofer, just because he's local, know the distinction?
I'm not sure if they would.
Yeah. Okay. Because sometimes, someone may feel that a local roofer, that say someone that's in this town, it understands insurance, and being local in the area doesn't mean that you understand insurance and restoration the way it should be. So, what would you recommend to a homeowner that is thinking that a local roofer would be advantageous to them, in your experience, from the first meeting that we came here to the second one where we basically broke everything down for you?
As far as roofing goes, I would rather have professionals put the roof on my house, especially in this area in Florida where we have to be concerned with wind speed and the multiple storms that could occur, at any given time. So I think I'd rather go with the licensed companies than the local.
Gotcha. So the fact that you're in Rockledge and we're in Orlando, did that play any role in us being able to get the line items that you need to restore this properly?
No, it probably did because you know the area.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, thank you so much.
You're able to get the insurance company to do what has to be done.
Wonderful. Well, thank you so much for your feedback, and we appreciate your help.
Okay, thank you.